Welcome back. Thank you for staying with Checkpoint. Let's continue informing you. Now, hundreds of residents of Makueni living with preventable blindness benefited from a 5-day medical camp that was organized by the county government and was held at the Makindu Sub-County Hospital. This was unveiled by the Makueni Governor, Mutula Kilonzo, where hundreds flocked in for free medical treatment. Our reporter Esther Diana has more details.
The need for Makueni Cataract Eye Camp came after it was established that Kibwezi West alone had about 400 patients who were living with preventable blindness that is secondary to cataracts. Dr. Patrick Mtinda said that the exercise will also improve the quality of lives, noting that blindness reduces the quality of life.
There has been need because of the preventable blindness. Also, being along Mombasa Road, we get a lot of patients with eye injuries secondary to road traffic accidents, and therefore the eye unit will also play a key role in the patients who are having eye injuries.
Out of the over 750 patients screened, 228 were found with visual challenges.
We have conducted 201 cataract surgeries out of the 228. The number has been increasing. The first day we screened 253 and 84 had cataracts.
Patients who benefited from the free eye camp expressed the excitement towards the initiative. For some, their struggle to get proper eye treatment will be a thing of the past.
Inaniadhiri wakati ninaona mwangaza wa jua, lakini tumekuja kliniki kupata matibabu ya macho.
Macho yangu yote mbili ilikuwa na cataract. So nikatolewa moja jana. Na saa hii najiandaa kuanza kikao ili nitolewe hii ingine.
The medical camp is a partnership between Makueni County Government, AMA Group, Lukenya University, the Society for the Blind, and Fred Hollow Foundation.
What we are doing is doing free cataract surgeries together with the local people. It's a teamwork. We cannot do anything alone. We need the local people also to partner so we can do many things together.
According to Dr. Isabel, an ophthalmologist with the Spanish NGO Vision Without Borders, the exercise was not without challenges as it meant working long hours. Out of the diagnosis, it was also established that many people had advanced cataracts. An intervention was called for and vision restored to many. Therefore, they can go back to their normal lives. For KTN News, I'm Ndombi Diana.
Now, the Hindu community